if you lost your business, so what income is 40-50,000, but also
He. So I am nothing in front of you. Job person like doctor, lawyer.
also for
You ready?
yes,
Okay. So today is your debate after a long time between job versus,
business,
and you guys chose, and you.
job,
So are you ready?
yes,
What do you think? Who can win?
yes.
Okay.
No, this team is winner.
Already winner?
No,
Without
this
playing
team
anything?
will winner.
Will win. Okay.
Yes.
Andrew, first debate or second? Second. So are you ready to win? Are you sure? Okay. So today, if any team will win the match, they will go directly going to get 100 points, and then you can distribute that. It will impact on your rank. Okay. Ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
we
let's-
are-
Ready, guys?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, start now.
So, what's your view on business? Tell me.
According to everyone, business is very important because you do business. So if you do job, so your time, your job
No,
time-
it's just not the Western time. So, who is saying that it's just a wasting of time? Tell me.
I'm not saying. I'm
So,
not saying
yes, you
that.
are totally wrong. Who's saying? You don't
As you
have
can
mouth?
see, do you know
Yes.
Mukesh Ambani?
What?
Do you know Mukesh
Yes,
Ambani?
of course. I
He's
know him.
one of the richest person.
Okay.
Yes, person in the India. In India, and he's not doing a job.
So-
He's doing a business.
So first, he is also first he is also first he was
No,
also
no.
bring job.
No.
Okay, so you know him.
Yes, I know him.
So how?
He is in my relatives.
Oh, he's your relative.
Yes.
Are you mad?
No, I'm not mad.
So okay, speak.
So according to me, like
What's according to you?
in job, you are like a servant.
No, your father also.
Let me speak it now. You don't let me speak. You just say let me speak it now.
Okay, speak. I give you a chance. Speak.
Okay, so in job you are a servant. If you speak
You-
by
okay.
mistakenly, so you
Okay.
first ask your boss, I'm sick, give me please leave, give me please
Okay,
leave. But
so
in
your
job you
father
are
also
leave me-
doing job,
Let
so
me
your
leave me. Let
Okay, speak.
complete my sentence.
Okay, speak.
But in business, you don't wanna ask anyone like anything. You can do anything.
Father also
It's your job.
Your father also doing job, so he is also a servant.
Who the hell are you?
Now
Who the
you-
hell are you to say my dad is doing job? My dad
Yes,
is doing
you
business.
say me.
My dad is doing business. And
Yesterday you say me.
you're a liar. I didn't come yesterday.
I'm
I
not
didn't
like
come
you.
yesterday.
I'm not-
I didn't come yesterday.
I'm not like
you're a
you.
liar. Everyone know I didn't
Who is
come
saying?
yesterday. Okay, I
become a good person and you can discipline by job.
in business in business you can do everything whatever you
Anything
went
else?
you went
Anything speak.
went
Okay.
and you took at the Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani.
uh, giving you time, and it's giving only servant feelings.
Job has a time, but business has not a time and not
But
a.
business give you money.
Eh?
But business give you money.
Business give money, but also job give money, and business has not perfect money, and you talk about Mukesh Ambani, but you are not that.
Mukesh Ambani also businessman?
Only 10% businessman in this country and 90% job man.
Have it.
What do you think that business is very important more than job?
Because of business give you just like a king feelings.
You
Business has not the fixed time, you know,
It's
and job have has fixed time.
One start.
So all businessmen are knowledgeable duffers.
Oh.
Yes, but how?
5 points.
He is not about knowledge. Bol.
She don't have all.
You know about all empires.
Say again.
Say it
Yeah.
again.
Say again, bro.
फिर से. You talk about all businessmen has empire, but you are sure all businessmen have
You
an empire.
doing that? You said that businessman. What you said?
What did you say?
What did?
I am happy with job. I fulfill my dreams also.
So in business also we can achieve more money than a job.
How can you achieve money without an experience?
Like you do you do a job,
Yes, I do job.
monthly income
I have monthly income, fixed income, and I am happy with it.
40 to
I have-
50,000 around.
Yes.
So if you want if you want a car in 3 months, if you want a car in 3 months, so
I
what you will
job
do?
for an experience, and I do job also, and I do business also. I am an
No, no.
experienced person. You are not experienced person.
Nice. That point.
In our business we can earn more money than a job.
How can you earn money? You have not
Like I am doing.
Yes.
No, it not. Do you want to become a businessman?
No.
So what do you want to do in your life?
क्या?
What do you want to do in your life?
I want to do in my life.
I have everything.
I have an everything.
Car showroom, and in a day maybe around 4 to 5 customers come in my showroom, and one car is of 1 crore. Then 4 into 1 crore is
How
equals
can
to
you say
4
that
crore.
every business are successful?
I don't know about.
You are debating for businessmen, not yourself, only yourself.
So I am doing business, not a job.
You doing a job now, but you are a debate. You debate for every businessman, not on yourself.
I don't matter that. Sir, रुक जाओ.
भैया मुझे दे देना.
You don't have the capacity to do business. You speak.
You speak.
मैंने बोला बोल बताओ यार.
Give him.
What you have told.
Give him.
Say it again.
Snatch your father's.
Yes, I snatched.
Yes, you snatch.
And
You have not your own kingdom, but I have an experienced person. I do job.
I have my own
have
kingdom
experience, I do
because
job.
of I have experience because of I do work before I do this business.
What can you say?
When my father do this business
Your
on
father
this
is
business,
also do a job for
No.
make a business. Your
I
father also do a job for a make a business. You say
I'm agree with you, but
you are agree.
but
You are agree for experience. Job is very
But-
good.
how?
How it's a good for fulfilling your dream, and your have a amount monthly comes in your bank.
No, business also good.
Why? You can say business is also good. You have a kingdom.
Yes,
I have also a kingdom. I job in NASA. I have my salary is $50 per month. You can earn $50 per month.
I also earn. I have $50,000 earn per month.
What do you think about business?
Business is good, but business is in business. They could also get lost in business.
But you think everyone is not think that because business is very important because it's your business. But you do job, so
Jobs,
you can speak.
in jobs we
Lost
get
of
experience and
You can speak.
and if you go job, so you get a fixed time. But you go business, so you go any time.
Now what happened? The debate will start from 2 people only there. Only 2 people can stand here. And जैसे किसी को लगे उसकी टीम अटक रही है कुछ हो रही है आप तुरंत उसको हटाकर खुद आओ. चाहे जैसे भी और इसी एंड मोमेंट पे डिसाइड होगा कि किसकी टीम ने ज्यादा अच्छा करा. ठीक है? So best of luck for everyone. हाँ इसीलिए.
So if you lost your business, so what will you do? Of course you will do a little bit job. Because you can't start your business
Your
all
question
at
is
once.
complete. Now let me speak. I don't
Okay.
wanna do job. If my business is lost, If first thing, my business never lost. And second thing, I don't want to let me speak now.
Okay, let me speak. Why I am
speaking.
stand here?
For
Is-
debating.
Yes. So why you know? बोले क्यों दे रही हो?
Why are you not letting me speak?
Why are you not let me speak?
So first thing, you let me speak now.
Okay,
Now that you
speak.
don't let me speak.
Okay,
So your team partners say that is like.
It means you are in future a thief.
Why are you shouting on my friend? Why are you shouting? Very good. He is looking good more than you. He is looking good more than you. How?
Income is 40-50,000, but businessman daily income is